Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, we're going to paint a quiet, cozy moment, a rainy view seen through a window, full of calm, softness, and gentle light. I begin by covering the upper part of the canvas using a dry sponge. I add a touch of black and a hint of red, then use a suitable brush to loosely suggest the rooftops of the houses seen beyond the window. Nothing is too sharp here. Everything stays slightly blurred and distant. I keep very little paint on the brush, gently spreading it across the canvas, and I soften the colors with a bit of white, so the scene feels misty and subdued rather than harsh. One by one, I lightly indicate the windows of the distant houses, keeping them soft and unfocused so they remain part of the background mood. Now I move to the closest element, the window itself, the one facing this rainy scene. I start by painting the brick wall beside the window. Then define the window frame using a deep brown tone. Gradually, I add lighter layers on top. The direction and angle of my brush strokes help shape the form, so I pay close attention to how each stroke builds the structure. Slowly, I add lines and details, bringing more clarity and definition to the window. With a fine brush, I place the final highlights, sharpening the foreground with delicate, thin lines and subtle details. Next, I paint a small, charming flower pot resting by the window. I ground it with soft shadows so it feels naturally placed in the scene. Next, I paint a small, charming flower pot resting by the window. I ground it with soft shadows so it feels naturally placed in the scene. Using a thin brush and diluted paint, I begin adding raindrops on the glass. First darker marks, then lighter ones. Some drops appear to be sliding down the window, while others cling to the surface, catching the light in a quiet, reflective way. I complete the pot by painting the plant inside. I start with a darker base color, Then, using a small round brush and a fresh green tone, I carefully shape the leaves one by one. Finally, I add bright highlights as the last layer, giving the leaves life and dimension. With a bit more shading and a few final details, the painting comes together, calm, intimate, and full of atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me. If you did, please support the channel by liking and sharing this video. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you again in the next painting.